Hello friends, how are you? I hope you have completed these previous videos. Now in this video we have to learn about search appearance. So let's start. As the word says search appearance, so it is clearly means that how your site appears on search engine. So if you click on the first option, that is structured data, then a page like this opens. Now what is this structured data? If I give you a simple example, then consider whatever thing you make, let it be a website or anything, we always make a structure like what things we will include in the project, what will be the parent elements, and then what are the child of that parent elements and all. So this structured data option is added here few years back. So the main thing that I am trying to say here is that the content that we have on our website may be of several types. It may be of article, it may be of videos or the images or the audios. Content is constant and it can be of any type. So the structured data dashboard you are seeing here is introduced by Google because the content that you have on your website is structured here. We call this items in technical language. So as you can see on the screen, it says we have 5 items and that are from 5 pages. Now it is showing that we have 5 times, so we have to learn about them. If you scroll down, you see here is written data type here. We have a data type here which is hatom, and the source of this item is microformats.org. So if you want to learn more about this, then you can simply visit this website schema.org, which is a project developed for Google, Yahoo and Bing search engine. Through this you can define the data types of the content on your website, after which Google will take your content on the type you have defined. So basically these are the HTML tags which are usually defined in the template by the developers. But in the case you are developing your website from scratch, then you can simply add these tags on your website from here. If I go to google.com and on Google, and I write Bill Gates, then you see that a separate column is there which gives you results directly on screen without navigating to any other website. And similarly, if I search for IRCTC schedule, then you can see a separate schedule is listed here. Okay, then if I search on Google about to buy Yonex badminton rackets, then here is the list of items with their prices on the same screen. And if I write about PHP courses, then if I write PHP courses online, then scroll down, you can see here is a link of Udemy course with rating direct on your search page, which says that this course has 4.5 stars of rating out of 5, and this rating is voted by 17 people. So like this, many things you have seen on search pages. One more example is live scores of cricket, basketball, football or any game. So this basically comes through structured data, and this data can be marked up on your website using the schema.org website. You can tell search engines that this data is rating and this data is price like this, and how you can do that. So just open this website schema.org, and on the right side you can see the link of documentation. Just open it and you see here all the things one by one, all the markups and the tags. Just click on full type hierarchy and you would get all the information from here. So if you are creating an e-commerce website, then you can simply search for this term product. Okay, you have just okay now, and you will get its full details. Click on any of this. Okay, now just open a new notepad file and I will create a div tag here. Suppose we are doing this on your website. I just change the language to HTML and I create a div. Okay, and then I will close the div tag, and in between of this tag we have some product, or you can say product details. Okay, now we have to define its item scope, so I will give it as an attribute. So I will write div, then item, then scope. After that we have to give a space and I have to write item, then type, and then equals to, and in the between of quotes I will write the URL. So I just copy this and I will paste in between the quotes. Now you can define the markups from the page to here on this page. Suppose in this div we have a product description in a paragraph, like we have a paragraph. You can say instead of product details we have a paragraph, then product title, then the paragraph is closed. After that we have product price, then I close the paragraph, and after that we have some product. Okay, I just to change the paragraph, then I have product, let's say description. Okay, then I close the paragraph tag. So suppose we have all these things written in our div tag with item scope of page URL. Now after this Google will check them separately. We usually don't need to define all these things because they are pre-installed in our WordPress themes. So basically here are the structured data of your pages shown on Google Webmaster account, and I showed you how to embed all this on your web pages. So that's all we have to learn on structured data. Thank you.